Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how we can do coding in Excel sheet. So to make your Excel sheet data analysis ready, we need to do coding. So let's start. We'll start doing coding on this Excel sheet. We need to convert all the qualitative data into the quantitative one if we are interested in quantitative analysis. So starting with the first variable, that is gender. So to convert this gender variable into the quantitative one, you need to convert this variable with the numbers, with these categories with the numbers. So for that, you need to select this first column like this. After selecting this column, from the keyboard, you need to press Ctrl F. As you will press Ctrl F, find and replace box will open on your screen. Now, in find what, you need to write male. As in gender, there are two categories, male and female. So you have to code male with some number. So in find what, write male. And in replace, you need to give any number. If suppose I am giving 1, means I am replacing the male category by 1. And after that, you need to just press replace all. So after pressing replace all, we can get message from Excel that 30 replacements are done. So I am pressing OK and I can close this. But when I'll go in the gender variable, you can see even the male which is already there in the female word, it is also converted by the Excel, because all the male are found by the Excel and it is converted into the one. So that means this type of coding is wrong. So what I need to do, you need to press Ctrl Z to do undo of whatever you have done. Now again press Ctrl F, and starting with female, means in find what, write female, and in replace give some code. Suppose I am giving now code 2. So now I am converting female category by 2 and then press replace all. So again a message is coming from Excel that 14 replacements are done. It is indicating there are 14 females in the data. So then press OK. Again on the same dialog box, now you write in find what, male, and then replace it with some other number. Now I'm replacing male by 1 and then press replace all. So now one more message is coming that 16 replacements are done by Excel. So that is now there are 15 males are in the data set. So now you can close this. So this way we have coded our first variable. Now talking about the second variable, that is height. This is already a numeric variable. So that means we don't need to convert the height and the weight variable. These two are in the terms of number. These both are the continuous numbers. So we don't need to convert these two variables. Moving towards to the next category, that is the age. So here you can just select this age column, and as I'm not knowing how many categories are there in the age, so what I need to do, you need to go to the sort and filter option here in the menu, and then you need to press filter. After doing this, you can see one drop down arrow will come on the age column box, on the age column. So now you just need to click on this drop down arrow, and with this we can find that how many categories are there in the age variable. So it is 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, means 3 categories are there. So we need to give 3 numbers to these 3 categories. So you can decide which number you want to give to which category. Press OK. Now again come on the age column and then press Ctrl F. And here in the find bot, now first category is 21 to 30. So in find what, I have written 21 to 30, and in replace I am giving 1 as the coding and then press replace all. So message is coming that 31 replacements are done. I pressed OK. Again on the same find what column, now I am typing next category, that is 31 to 40, and then I am replacing it with some other number, that is 2, and then press replace all. So 10 replacements were done. Then press OK. Last category is 41 to 50. So like this, 41 to 50. And then in replace what? Third replacement is done by, I'm going to perform here. So that is why I'm giving 41 to 50 as 3 coding. And then replace all. So 7 replacements are done. Then press OK. Then close this. Now coming to the next category, next variable, that is the preferred teaching mode. So again, you can see here there are two categories, online and offline. So now press Ctrl F. In find what, write first category, that is online, and in replace we can write 1 and then replace all. So 12 replacements were done. Press OK. Now instead of online, now you write offline and replace it with some other number. I'm replacing it with 2 and then replace all. So 18 replacements were done and then press OK and close this. Moving towards to the next or the last variable category, it is qualification. So again, this is the qualitative terms which are written under the qualifications. So we need to convert these into the quantitative one. So I am pressing Ctrl F, and here the first category I am writing, suppose it is 10th. So replace it with 1 and press replace all. So 2 replacements were done. So press OK. Now next category is 12th. So I am replacing 12th by 2. Then press replace all and then press OK. 13 replacements were done for 12th. Now next category is post graduation. Remember, I made a mistake when I was coding gender. Firstly, I code male. So we need to code first female. Similarly, in graduation and post graduation, you need to code firstly post graduation and then we will go for the graduation. So post graduation is the last category. So that is why I am giving 4 to the post graduation and pressing replace all. So 3 replacements were done. And lastly, we need to give coding to the graduation, and this is the third category. So I am giving coding 3 to graduation and then pressing replace all. So 12 replacements were done. Press OK and then close this. So see friends, now this data sheet is ready for the analysis. So this way we can do coding in Excel sheet and make our Excel sheet data analysis ready. So I hope friends, this video will help you in understanding how we can do coding in Excel sheet. So friends, I hope this video will help you to understand how we can do coding in Excel sheet and how we can make our Excel sheet data analysis ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on my video, and also subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain. Thank you so much for watching the video.